Okay, sorry for the air conditioner being so loud and my gray hair and my otherwise recrunculous look, but I wanted to show you how I make my food. Do freeze dry. This is freeze dried, like cooked roast from Kelly gets paid in cow, so that's like really good local meat. And then we've also got our Kelly calls it his goulash, his vegetable recipe. Pretty sure I have a video about that. And both of those right now are reconstituting in this ginger and turmeric bone broth. Just, you know, give some added flavor. Then this right here, this is actually freeze-dried raw scrambled eggs. I can't remember if I've done a video on it. Sorry, I had a hat on. I can't remember if I've done a video on it, but it is actually my favorite thing to freeze dry because you just add whatever you want to it and reconstitute it, and then you can use it for whatever, right? French toast, scrambled eggs, muffins, egg McMuffin kind of thing, anything, right? And for that, I'm going to reconstitute it with just some regular chicken bone broth. Normally I do eggs, but we've already been out playing and I just feel like, hey, let's have a little extra flavor. Okay, I added the liquid. Basically the vegetable, sorry, let me get back a little. That vegetable medley sucked up a whole container of broth. And then the meat was like half a container, and then the eggs was the other half. And so now it's cooking. This rig has, you know, propane gas, whatever you call this. My other one was induction. And you probably noticed there's no AC going on in the background, and that's because you have to turn it off in order for your stove to stay lit, because, so if you can kind of see, here's the kitchen, and there's the AC. It just totally blows it out. And so it'll be nice, you know, once I'm done cooking, I can turn the AC on and it'll blow all this heat out. But right now it's getting a little toasty in here because I can't have the AC on and I'm cooking in this small space. I forgot to, that's funny. I forgot to take a video of the food when it's done. Yeah, that's all that's left of mine. Kelly went back and got everything that was left in the pans and just kind of put it all on there. So that's why it looks a little soupy, is the meat and the vegetables were soaking in that broth. And so, you know, washing dishes in an RV is always an adventure. So the more stuff you get off the pans, the better. And so he just basically scraped everything off onto that plate that he is going to enjoy.